Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to edit or post on your Tumblr application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to edit a post on your Tumblr application or Tumblr account, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, open your Tumblr account, click on the Tumblr things, and just need to, if you just need to edit a post. For this post, you have a pencil symbol on the bottom section. If you just click on three dot, you can't find anything, or click on the post, go inside the post, and you have this pencil symbol near the dustbin symbol on the bottom. Click on this. Now you can just now edit the post. For an example, just going to add image options, or you just need to add a add text, or just need to add more text, like for an example, my buy now, like that. You can just add it and click on the save option. And if you just need to add tag, you just can add tag or click on the save. You just refresh it. You can see the file has been updated. This is how you just edit the post on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.